Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily clear your cache on TikTok app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then go to your profile and then hit Add menu icon and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Cache and Cellular, and there you can easily find the Free Up Space feature. You can just tap on that, and here it shows you what exact data takes some space at your device. Cache takes 39 megabytes and downloads takes 50 megabytes. And right from here you can easily clear out that space. Just hit that clear button next to cache, then hit add clear to clear cache. Then you can also clear downloads. Downloads may include effects, filters, stickers, and virtual gifts downloaded in your app. You'll be able to download them again if you need them. So you can also hit add clear to free up some extra space. Keep in mind that cache and downloads you should clear for each account you signed into your TikTok app. So if you want to free up space at your device, you should switch to your another account and then make the same steps to clear up cache and downloads. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.